Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan. Today's date is 7 February 2024 and today's my technical topic is control statement in Java programming language. First of all, what are the control statement? Control statement, it is a type of statement which are used to control the flow of execution of a program. And next is why need we for the control statement. Suppose the Java compiler is run the execute the code line by line. If we need for the break the and stop the execution of the particular code or segment of the code, then we can use the control statement. In Java, there are various types of control statement. I will discuss one by one. First of all, if-else. If-else are the conditional statement in Java. It's used for the specific condition of the block, and it's used for the executing of the segment of the block or the code of the block. If we need to execute the one part of the code and we not necessary the next part of the code, then we can use if else. If condition is true, then first code of the block is executed, and condition is false, then second block of the code is executed. Next types of control statement is if else or if else ladder. If else ladder, it's used for the multiple condition of a program. Then we have a multiple condition, then we can use if else ladder. And next is the nested if else. If we want to give the condition for the inner condition of the code of the program, then we can use nested if else. Next type of the control statement, that is looping statement. Looping statement basically used for the performing the same code multiple times. There are basically three types of looping statement. First is that is for loop. For loop is used for the performing the iteration when we know the iteration of the particular code, then we can use the for loop. And next type of loop is while loop. If we don't know about the iteration of the particular code, then we can use while loop. Then we give the condition. If while the condition is false, then loop is break. And next type of the loop is do while loop. Do while loop is the same as a while loop, but in do while loop, if the condition is also false, then one time is the while loop is executed. It is the looping statement in Java programming language. Next is some other statement we can use for the control the flow of the execution of the program. That is break statement. Break statement is used in a looping statement. Then for example, we need to break a loop for the particular condition or the particular iteration, then we can use the break statement. And also is continue statement. Continuous statement is also used to continue the skip the iteration of the loop. When we need to skip that particular iteration or a particular condition of the iteration, then we can use continue statement. Next is switch statement. In switch statement, we can use the case keyword, and that case keyword is have a store in a variable. If you execute the particular case or a particular code, then we can give the case to the variable, and we declare multiple case for the executing of the program, and we can use the switch statement. It is overall about the control statement in Java programming language. Thank you.